the brain and the heartbeat of the Orlik team. Without him, there is no harmony. He sets the pace, the rest follow. Number 1, the team leader, Major Michał Jabłoński. Number 2, flying from the left wing, Captain Eric Fazisek. His job, absolute focus, absolute trap. It's Orlik formation, doing the loop. And here it comes, watch closely. Each pilot must constantly adjust the rudder to counteract the propeller torque, keeping the aircraft perfectly aligned. It looks smooth from the ground, but every degree is corrected mid-air. Precision and skill as its finest.
Babu, hi, Rudy, hello.
And on his right side, for the formation, Captain Filip Rybczynski.
Thank you.
And here comes the duo and duet. And coming back straight at you, while 4 Orliks hold the diamond like a clockwork. Hands in the air, one straight, one rolling, perfectly synchronized, thrilling the crowd above the runway. Look to the direction where our duo is flying. The main formation returns. 3 aircraft in perfect precision, while number 6, Owner Aniela, performs slow, graceful rolls around them. A ballet in the sky. Roskilde, as your cameras ready and watch closely as the formation prepares. Beautiful sunny day. We can perfectly see the smoke behind the aircraft. And here comes our solo, Wapa, returning over to Red Bull. Wapa isn't just any pilot, he's an instructor and his nickname comes from his notable large hands. Those hands give him an almost natural advantage on the street, allowing incredible precision and control in every figure. Because Wapa means big hand in Polish. Spectacular cascade maneuver. Just sit back and relax. Enjoy the show, or mix at their finest. The formation now glides gracefully over the runway. Slow, precise, and perfectly synchronized. Wapa's about to roll through the sky, and I promise your head here might just try to take a flight.
Alle sammen, gør jeres kamera klar nu. Foran jer lige syd for os, der kommer 4 fly ind, og det kommer til at lave et utroligt flot hjerte på himlen. Så der kan I få et fotografi af en flot baggrund, en blå baggrund med et flot hjerte. En rigtig flot liste for 10 år til jer alle sammen.
Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready because it's the moment. The Diamond 4 has a little surprise for you. Keep your eyes on the sky, and here it comes, a heart painted in smoke especially for you. Because we truly love performing in such of a wonderful audience here in Roskilde.